Okay, for today's video, I am going to put a trailer hitch on this 24 Santa Fe. I don't think I've done one yet, but we'll figure it out as we go. Let's see what we got in the box here. So there's numbers and whatnot. You scan this, it'll get you the directions. We get the hitch deal. I thought there was supposed to be a lower bumper piece, but that might be a different model. So let's get this in the air and see what we got to take off to get in the way. Alright, got it up in the air. Got our hitch here. So what you want to do is you want to get this spare tire off and this exhaust off. Just make it a whole lot easier getting those holes up there and everything without all this stuff in the way. So you can do this, you can get the tire down from the top, or you can undo it from right here. What size is that? Alright, so it looks like it's an 11. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that undercoating on there is all sticky. Oh, battery's dying. That's good enough. I'm going to take this tire out of the way. We're going to do this muffler here. That's a 19. Set that there. Set that down there. And now we got to take these carriers off there. Get yourself one of these for the cost. And you got your bag of hardware. Looks like they're all the same. That makes it easy. We're going to get these go here, here, and here. And the same on this driver's side. Now, since this looks like it has the underbody treatment, I'm going to want to, not so much this side, but the other side, you want to thread those in and make sure they're holes are sealed that they go in. You see all this is all rust proofing, undercoating. I'd rather have the hitch done before it goes to rust proofing. Check all these holes, make sure they're threading. Same with this side here, which has the undercoating all over. And that's where you really want to make sure the holes are good there. So make sure you make sure they thread in and out of all these holes. Now there's really no way around it, but this bumper piece gets replaced with a different one, which they went to go get because we didn't have one. But you gotta take it off. It's just these clips come off pretty easy. Looks like we got a screw here. The rest looks like there's just kind of a flip, just got a pull. Well, these were kind of a pain to get to. For these, there's like plastic piece behind there, you gotta like move out of the way. And the front you're just gonna slide in, so you're just gonna pull it. And the new one will hang down and have room for all the stuff and kind of make it look all neat. It was like that when I found it. When you put these on, you have you kind of see those spikes on there, on that washer. You want to make sure that's facing the car and away from the bolt. That's going to help grip it on there. Going to get them all started. torque wrench and set it to 68. Torqued to 68. Alright, now I'm going to put all this stuff back on. The tire back up there, the exhaust back on. It's just like taking it off but backwards. Then we'll move on to the wiring.